windows are different heights. Okay? Y'all can set something up in here or not. Now, as we go down the line, what I know will be there, I'll let you know. If you see a spot you want to look at, tell me and I'll stop.
Okay.
Okay? We have control of the line. We're the only thing on it.
Oh, okay.
This ain't wasn't too hard to drive once I figured out where the throttle was.
I was wondering, I wonder how hard this is. Like, you just stop it all nice and slow, and I'm like...
Actually, it's got nothing to do with it. I let go, throw the brake. It does it all by itself until I release the brake. Now, it gets a lot trickier when you're pulling cars.
Yeah, okay.
This here is the engine brake. This is what's called the train brake. This is the one I would use if I was pulling cars.
Okay.
But since it's just us, I'll use the engine brake. Now as we go across these crossings up here, I'm going to ask you to make sure it's clear on that side of the engine. Because I can only see 20 feet past the engine. I can see the tops of those bushes. I can't see the bottoms.
Okay.
Like I say, if you see anywhere you want to look at, tell me and I'll stop. The next thing that I normally have planned, which is the spot I'm giving up, is on around the bend and over the hill, so it's a little ways up yet.
Didn't you say that's the one that's like all the way out though?
That's the one that's the most remote.
Yeah.
So if anyone wants it, they're welcome to it. Just let them know they gotta walk a bit. And I'll show you the closest road access and things like that. Alright?
So now, are they going to be posted up alongside all the way down, or?
Wherever we have stuff set up, like there's nothing here at all.
Yeah, no.
They're just riding and the people on board will be scaring them.
Oh, okay.
There's only stuff, I can only have so many people.
Oh, okay.
Believe me, I would love to have enough to decorate 3 miles of track, but that's a lot.
Now that would be creepy.
That would be cool if I could pull it off. Are we clear? Are we clear?
Oh, that's Dad. Who's Dad?
Now I have had seats set up here in the past, but not recently. So anywhere in here, if y'all want to do it, that's fine. If not, we can truck on. This is Walkersville Community Park. We can make arrangements for y'all to be in here after hours.
Oh, okay.
Okay, clear?
Clear. How often do you get people on these tracks?
Quite a bit.
Especially right there by the park.
Yep. Those are 2 crossings there we have to watch for.
I'll get it. This would be so cool to come out here. Nobody would be expecting anything.
Yeah, because they're just like...
You want me to stop?
No, you can keep going. We're just going to check this out.
Now right on the other side is the high school. Remember, there'll be some light over there, so you may get backlit in here.
Oh, okay. So you want to avoid water.
No. Bring him over here. Bring him over here. Come here. Pull this. Pull it.
Woo!
miss them. Alrighty. Thank you. Alrighty. Now down in this area, sometimes we'll rig up 12-volt lights and batteries, and we'll light up stuff hanging in the trees.
Oh, okay.
But it's an unmanned stop.
It's just like keep going. It's unmanned.
Right, the train doesn't stop at all.
So it's more the people on top.
Right. If we hang it up at window level of the train, normally it'll be off a little bit, there'll be a light on the ground that shines up to it.
Oh, okay. And he's like, now I want the horn.
He must have horned again.
Yeah. So now, what's that up there and stuff?
Okay, this is the remains of the Frederick Lime Kiln. Okay, that's all I can let you pull it.
Yeah, no more, Bubba. No more. All done. All done.
Okay.
No more.
This is the remote spot right here.
Over here?
Yep, right there on that side. Well, up just a little. There you go.
That's not bad.
Now, you all good staying on board, or do you want to step off and look at it?
What do you want to do?
Doesn't matter.
It's up to you guys. We can go out right there and look at it if you want.
Either or. What do you think?
No, I can sit here with you.
Okay. We'll go down. Are you
All
sure
right.
you got him? There's sippy cup and stuff.
There's now young. Shut up, going anywhere. Right here.
Just don't touch nothing. Yeah, it's okay. Right over there and right on and right up.
I'll be up here.
You'll stay up here? Okay.
No, you can't go down there. You want to go down, Uncle Joe? You'd be good. You can probably whistle again.
This is one of the main areas.
Are you good, Don?
Was you afraid I was taking mommy?
Yeah, it's nice though. Like, but he said that we go in the back. Here, you picture of us going of him on the screen. Can we take one so I can have it for myself?
My headlight just broke there for a minute. I hope there's not an FRA inspector around.
That would be good.
No, I'm not supposed to have this on, but we're stopped, so.
Yeah.
want me now? Now it's your mom getting come back here.
No, you
Okay.
can go out.
You see up there where the sunlight's coming through?
Yeah.
That's about your closest road access.
And
Like I said, this is the most remote spot. Now that, like I said, that's
depends on what we're gonna do. Here, baby.